I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription. I'll show you how to cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription through the ChatGPT website. If you're subscribed to ChatGPT Plus through the app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, you'll need to cancel your subscription through those platforms. I'll link to my videos in the description and pinned comment that will show you how to do that. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to chatgpt.com, and then sign into your account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile name on this screen to open a menu, and then click Settings in this menu. The account window opens. Step 3. Click to select Account in this menu. Step 4. Click to expand the Manage option at the top of this screen, and then click Cancel subscription in these options. A window pops up asking if you want to cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription. Additionally, if you move forward with canceling, you'll be notified how long you'll have access to your ChatGPT Plus subscription through. Step 5. Click Cancel subscription. You'll see a note that your ChatGPT Plus subscription will be canceled. And at the top of this screen, you'll see how long you'll have access to ChatGPT Plus through. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.